If you use WhatsApp, you might want to check this right now. WhatsApp is introducing usernames, and if the feature is available on your account, you may be able to reserve the username you want before somebody else gets it. This is especially interesting because usernames can give you another way to connect with people without immediately sharing your phone number. Some users may see a notification inside WhatsApp saying that usernames are coming soon and inviting them to reserve one. If you see that message, don't ignore it. But even if you do not see the notification, you can check manually. Open WhatsApp and tap the U tab in the bottom right corner, then tap Account. If the username option is available for your account, open it. Now tap Create Username and enter the username you want. If WhatsApp tells you that the username is unavailable, someone else has already reserved it, so you will need to try another one. Once you find an available username you like, tap Save. And that's it. Your username has been reserved. But why does this matter? One of the biggest benefits is privacy. When the feature officially launches, you will be able to communicate with new people using your username without necessarily having to give them your phone number. Instead, they can see your username, which can be much more convenient if you do not want to give your personal number to everyone you meet online. WhatsApp is also working on an optional username key. This gives you another layer of control because people would need your username and the key before they can contact you through your username, helping reduce unwanted messages and spam. Another privacy feature is that WhatsApp is not creating a public directory of usernames. People won't simply be able to browse through a huge list and search for random usernames. They will need to know your exact username. And if you change your mind later, you're not stuck with the username you originally choose. You can go back to Account, tap Username, and then tap Edit in the top right corner. From there, you can choose Change Username to select a new one, or delete username if you no longer want to use one. Keep in mind that WhatsApp is rolling this feature out gradually. So if you do not have the username option yet, make sure WhatsApp is updated to the latest version and check again later. With billions of people using WhatsApp, popular usernames can become difficult to get. So if the feature is available to you, it may be worth reserving yours early. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp tips and hidden features, and share it with your friends so they can check whether they have access to. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.